In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your older PayPal transaction history. Whether you're trying to track down a past transaction or just want to keep a more organized record of your spending, being able to access your complete history is invaluable. Today, I'll walk you through the process of finding and downloading your old PayPal transactions in just a few simple steps. First, you'll need to access PayPal to get started. Head over to PayPal's website and log into your account. Once logged in, you'll land on the summary page, which gives you a snapshot of your current financial situation with PayPal. This page provides a great overview, but for accessing more specific information, we'll need to explore further. Next, locate and click on the Activity tab. This section is your gateway to all past transactions made through your PayPal account. Pay close attention here, as this is where the magic happens. Once in the Activity section, you'll notice options that allow you to refine the data you see. Here, PayPal offers the flexibility to select the desired date range for the transactions you want to view. You can choose from preset options like the past 30 days or last year, or you can enter a custom date range that fits your needs. This is especially helpful if you're looking for transactions from a specific period. Once you've set your preferred date range, all transactions that fall within that time frame will be displayed. This feature allows you to review payments sent, payments received, and even pending transactions. It's an effective way to monitor and manage your account activity. Now let's talk about downloading your transaction history. PayPal makes it incredibly convenient to keep your records in digital form. At the top of the transaction list, there's an option to download your history. Clicking this will present you with a selection of file formats to choose from, such as PDF, CSV, or Quicken. Select the one that suits you best for record keeping or sharing purposes. The download feature is particularly useful if you want to save your transaction history for your personal archives or for accounting purposes. And there you have it. We've covered the essential steps in accessing and downloading your PayPal transaction history. Remember, keeping tabs on your financial transactions is a smart way to maintain control over your finances and plan for the future. I encourage you to make the most out of these features whenever you need a detailed look into your PayPal activity. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. See you next time.